This is a product review for a kitchen stand mixer. I've had this mixer for about 3 years and have loved it. I've had zero problems with it. Some of the functions that I love about it is that it has suction feet to help it not slip on your counter. I also love the different accessories that it comes with. It comes with a whisk head, a dough hook, and a mixing beater. We got this for our wedding 3 years ago, and I have really enjoyed being able to mix batter in it and then bread dough as well. It has 6 speeds plus a pulse function. The 3 heads are very easy to put in, and the stainless steel bowl is also easy to take in and out of the mixer. Really glad that we have this as an accessory to our kitchen and have had no problems with it.